CDK, to restore dealership software by July 4. After cyberattacks against one of the largest dealership management software, DMS systems caused ongoing outages for over 15,000 US and Canada dealerships. The company behind the product says it will restore service this week. CDK faced 2 cyberattacks starting on June 19, causing over half of auto dealerships in North America to face outages to the crucial systems on which service and sales were based. The hacker group, which was later identified as the Russian and Eastern European cybercrime group, Black Suit, demanded a ransom reported to be in the tens of millions, and the company later said it would pay the ransom to help restore service. On Monday, CDK told dealerships it expected to have the DMS restored by July 3 or 4. Although the company is also facing legal action from some of the dealerships, according to reports. We are continuing our phased approach to the restoration process and are rapidly bringing dealers live. On the dealer management system, CDK told Automotive News on Monday, "We anticipate all dealers' connections will be live by late Wednesday, July 3 or early morning Thursday, July 4. Later in the day, 4 dealerships and 2 consumers across Florida and Georgia announced a lawsuit against CDK over allegations of negligence in protecting users of its systems, both businesses and individuals, as well as consumers' data. This negligence has led to significant breaches affecting countless individuals across the United States who have purchased or serviced a vehicle or work at any business location with their personal data stored and accessible within the CDK systems," wrote the plaintiffs in the lawsuit filed June 30 in the U.S. Southern District of Florida. The repercussions of this failure are far-reaching, exposing sensitive information to cybercriminals and causing irreparable harm to the reputation and trust of the affected parties. The filing parties include the dealership's Formula Sports Cars, Prestige Motorcar Imports, Chevrolet of Canton, and Bill Holt Chevrolet of Blue Ridge stores. In addition, consumers Alexis Pino and Annie Ortiz hope to represent even more dealers and consumers in a class action case. Although CDK also faces other federal lawsuits from consumers seeking class action status, Automotive News reports that this is the first to include dealerships. Tesla hacker to be deported after pleading guilty to ransomware plot against Giga Nevada. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslarati.